Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Metapixel for affiliate conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Facebook account. Navigate to the Events Manager within your Business Manager. Select the pixel you want to update from the Data Sources section. Click on the Settings tab to access your pixel settings. Review the pixel ID to ensure you're working with the correct one. Locate the section for Conversions API. Enable the Conversions API if it's not already active. Take note of the required parameters for affiliate conversions. Now, go to your website's backend where your pixel code is implemented. Access the relevant page or section where the pixel code resides. Update the pixel code to include parameters like content_type, content_IDs, and value. Make sure to use the correct values for your affiliate products. If you're using a tag manager, navigate to your tag manager account. Find the pixel tag that corresponds to your Metapixel. Edit the configuration by adding the necessary affiliate parameters. Save and publish the changes to your tag manager. After updating the code, return to the Events Manager. Use the Test Events tool to verify that your updates are working properly. Check if the desired events are firing correctly when you perform a test action. Make any adjustments as necessary based on the test results. Monitor your pixel performance in the Events Manager over the following days. Analyze the data to ensure your affiliate conversions are being tracked accurately. You're now set up for improved tracking with your updated Metapixel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.